Hi mga ka-Realms and welcome to Diva's Realm, Cards,
Toys,
Gospel,
and
and Travel!
Travel.
At we are here back again opening some
Pokemon and Gundam.
TCG, Pokemon, Pitch Black at Gundam na GD03 at GD04. At parating yung GD05 natin which is the anniversary set ng Gundam TCG. Alright, so we got our
Seeds.
and we're going to open some packs. So, ikaw, dalawang Pokemon. Dalawa sa akin, ganito. Yan. Ito sa akin. Hindi, okay na yan. Say tatlo, dalawa sa akin. Because I already opened some.
Oh, okay.
Plus, nakachamba ako kanina, kahapon. Naka-order tayo ng sa Maxoft ng Chaos Rising.
How much packs did you open?
Basta. So, tatlo sa'yo, dalawa sa akin. So, what we are going to open first?
Gundam.
Okay. So,
No, I use my lucky.
sigurado ka kasi baka masira kasi hindi ka ingatan mo lang mag-open.
Ako muna.
Careful lang careful.
Oily na kamay ko.
Oh, sige na, buksan na nga natin kasi ayaw mo pa kasi makinig
Yung luck, that's how I get my lucky.
Alright, sige ako bubuksan ko na yung akin para mabilis. So we have our box pa.
Can I give the robots special nicknames?
Sige, bahala ka.
Shrek. Kulay green.
May booster box tayo na hindi pa natin nabubuksan. So,
sure, yes, sure.
Magano kayo, maging wait for that video.
Okay
soon.
na ba to? Or...
Sige. Ooh.
Cool background.
Okay.
Ito.
And yun yung rare natin. Wala. Okay, ako naman. So, okay. Walang magandang nakuha doon. So, anong binuksan mo? Ito. Sige, ito rin sa akin.
Phantom Area.
Ooh, Gundam X.
That's Gundam X. Looks. What is Gundam X?
May double X din. Nandiyan yung double X natin na kit. May model kit tayo, pero yan natin. Okay. Di nakita.
Unknown number.
Yung kamay mo kasi gumagalaw sa
This is an unknown number. Okay. Unknown number? Tama ka na.
Huwag mo nang gumalaw kasi Alright. Oh, unicorn, Banshee. Oh!
Uy, 6-7! 6-7!
Oh, wow! And, we got something,
6-7!
mga ka-realms.
6-7 din, 6-7. 6-7!
Okay, we got something,
Yan, super rare.
This is, leader rare.
Kita mo yung 6-7 card yan?
Wow.
6-7! 6-7!
Alright. Yes, meron tayong nakuha kahit paano. Okay, your turn, Andre.
How are we getting all the luck even though we have more packs?
We're getting all the luck.
Wait, if I like spam versus skill.
Oh, sige na.
Spamming versus killing, who wins?
Of course, skill. Okay, Pokemon tayo ngayon. Pitch Black, opening some sleeve pack.
What do we get?
Nakuha natin siya sa, ayun, magkaiba. Based on my own experience, pag ganyang Darkrai ang sleeve, walang hit. So, maybe that's just us or that's just me. Okay, let's see. Ano ang na-pull ni Andre? Sige,
Uy, first try!
Careful lang sa cards. Careful sa cards. Naku po. Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo kasi masisira yung cards. Sige lang. Sige na, okay na yan. Pwede na yun. Huwag mo nang...
Energy. What's your energy?
Darkness. Psychic. Sige. Ay, wala na. Nakita ko na.
Ano pala?
Hindi mo nawakan na maayos
Yata, ano yun, hollow?
Wala na. Wala lang. Regular rare lang.
Yata illustration din, mayroon.
Wala. Hindi mo nawakan mabuti. Hawakan mo siya mabuti. Oh, wala na to yung ano. Oh, alright. Ito naman, GD03. Oh,
If you actually win this, I'm gonna rage with you.
hindi, okay lang. And, oh,
Well,
wala.
How do you know it's a
Rare.
rare?
R.
How do you find it?
Ito lang ang ano natin. So,
Wait, ito okay ba to if dark cry yung...
basta ang pack hindi dark cry usually yung may mga hits based on my
experience?
opening 33 packs. Based on
Actually,
opening 33 packs. So,
let's see what we get.
yan. I think yan, meron yang hit. Either regular EX or Illustration Rare. Based on research, based on 33, 34, 35 packs opened.
How many packs with this has no each?
Wala pa ako nagiging walang hit kasi minsan ko lang makuha yung pack art na yan. And if I have some pack art na ganito, may hit ako palagi. Careful ka kasi nakikita yung
Energy.
sige, water energy kay Golden IR. Kailangan ko yun.
What's fighting type?
Oh, same. Ano ba ginanap natin yung fighting type? Wala akong ano na fighting type na hinahanapin ko eh. Sabi mo.
Okay na.
Sabi mo yung ano.
Grass type.
Ano grass type? Fomantis.
Octopus.
Inkay. Basahin mo.
Popilio.
Poplio. Poplio.
Centiscorch.
Cinticorch.
Palapin.
Okay, tama.
Thebes.
Tival.
Who let the fox up?
What did the fox say yun? What did the fox say yun? What did let the dogs out?
Ay, collaboration yun.
Collaboration. Ano collaboration?
Ready.
Wala. Oh! Sabi sa'yo eh. I told you. This pack art has hits.
Why does it seem like it's a girl?
That, kailangan natin yan. Wala tayong ganyan. Nakuha natin yung SIR pero wala pa tayo.
What do you mean SIR?
Nakuha na natin yung SIR nito.
Ay, but why does it look like it's a girl?
Ooh, nice.
It looks like a girl.
So, out of 2 packs ng Pokemon, 1 hit. Kay Andre, nakuha ni Andre. And out of 3 packs ng Gundam, isang 03, isang 04, dalawang 04, 1 hit lang din. So, what did the fox say, who let the fox out,
I hope that doesn't become a meme. I just hope.
Anyway, that's it for this opening.
Wait. I said something. Please do not make it a meme of who let the fox out, okay? Do not make it a meme.
Ipakita na rin natin yung ano natin, yung, wait lang.
Hot Wheels?
No.
Huh?
So, binder update na rin tayo kasi nandito na rin tayo. Ay binder update tayo mga ka-realms. Talang. Okay. Binder update tayo mga ka-realms. Okay. So far, wait lang. Tanggalin mo na nga lang to. Yan. Tanggalin mo doon. Yan. Kunin mo yung cards, please. Okay. Binder update na rin tayo para makita nyo mga ka-realms ang ating binder. So far, EX na lang to mga EX. EX, tapos...
Ba't pwede EX ito?
Kulang na lang yung mga hit na
pwede
EX.
EX naman.
Usually, either EX or reverse holo.
Or just regular cards, super hard to get.
Reverse holo na lang. Okay na tayo sa regular cards. Tas mga hits na lang na EX. Yan syempre yung mga illustration rare and yung mga secret rare. Yan no.
But mine was better.
2, 3,
But since we got that. Since when?
4, 5, 6,
I didn't know that. Where you got that? Where you got that?
8, and the SIR.
Yan yung top one?
The top chase of the set. Top chase na card sa set na to. Nakuha natin, na-pull natin. At nandun yan sa ating YouTube video and sa ating FB page at Viva Trail. And syempre, excuse me, and mga extra natin, mga rares,
If you're-
hollow rares,
If you're willing,
mga
if you're willing
items,
to get bulks,
mga
it's here.
support,
Buy it.
and again, ito na oh. So, 9, 18, 27, 30, 33, 34, 35, 36 packs na nabubuksan natin, making it one booster box. Kasi 36 packs per booster box eh. So, naka-open na tayo worth na one booster box ng Pitch Black. And that's it. Guys, wala na tayong Pitch Black. Ayaw ko nang bumili ng Pitch Black. Kasi nakuha ko naman yung top chase ko except for the gold IR Goldin and yung gold card, but I don't think I will buy any more packs because of that. But again, yun lang.
From laughing to become sad.
Why? Tingnan natin kung meron pa naman mabili.
What? Laughing when I said, who let the fox out? I said it so confidently.
Anyway,
I said it so confidently.
it's okay. Okay, that's it for this video. Again, this is Divas Realms. Oh, yeah.
Cards.
Ulit. Again, thank you for joining us mga ka-realms. Again, this is Divas Realm. Cards,
Toys,
gospel, and travel. God bless you. Stay safe.
We're traveling in our home.
And see you next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.